Assalamu alaikum everybody. I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now I am standing on a big field. Few days ago, it was a beautiful fish project. Now it turns a big paddy field. Sometimes I came to see the hard works of laborers, fishermen and farmers. Their efforts remind us that behind of every grain of rice and every fish on our tables, there is a story of patience, hard work, and struggle. Thank you for listening. Hi everybody. To practice English, you can go outside. It helps to make some sentences. For example, now I am standing on the field. Behind of me, you can see some farmers. They are planting paddy plants. As you hearing the sound, it is called power tiller. It is very important tools for agriculture. Enjoy your practicing English. If you know basic grammar and how to make sentences, now if you want to improve your speaking skills, you should describe what you see around you. For example, around me, there are many birds, trees, and houses. Behind of me, you can see that house and many kids, they are playing in the field. Sometimes you can make mistakes, but it doesn't matter, because if you want to learn, you have to mistakes. Otherwise, you cannot learn. Keep practicing, because practice makes a man perfect. Standing on our garden, as you see, it is called pumpkin. Pumpkin has lots of good qualities, like it contains 3 types of vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E. It also contains potassium, which is good for our heart. It also contains beta carotene, which is good for our eyesight. Pumpkin seeds are powerful too. It contains high protein and it boosts our brain system. Pumpkin also boosts our immunity system. So you can call it superhero of vegetables. Try to eat fresh vegetables and stay healthy. Right now, I am standing beside a small pond. The pond is full of water hyacinth. At first, we have cleaned all the water hyacinths. After cleaning the all water hyacinths, now we are catching many types of fishes. We catch purse fishes and catfishes and snakehead fishes. Many types of fishes we have caught. It is too hard to catch fishes in the marsh. If you don't have any skill about that, you cannot catch any fishes from this kind of pond. As you see that, this is all the fishes that we have caught from this small pond. Fresh fishes from the pond taste very delicious and it is good for our health. So try to eat fresh fishes from this type of pond and stay healthy.